Elite Econoloft are the country's leading national loft experts. We have been in the loft conversion industry for over 30 years. Our expertise and innovation within this business is second to none. We have a close and responsible working relationship with all our customers and realise how important it is that you should be able to relax and put your trust in us while we carry out the work and carefully manage the process through every stage, from the design and planning, through the build, to your finished conversion with its certificate of completion, issued by a registered building inspector. Everything is in-house. We only use joiners, plasterers and utility fitters from our approved list of tradesmen. Some of them have worked with us for over 15 years or more. In this video, we will swiftly take you through the stages of a loft conversion to a dormer. This is the plan. At the front, 2 Velux windows facing south. At the rear is the dormer facing north with French windows and a Juliet balcony. Inside there's a large bedroom, opening to a landing where there's a shower room and toilet, and behind this a smaller bedroom or study. We finished the planning stages showing the sections of steel supports being made ready for an installation in our workshop, and then our lorry leaving to deliver all the materials to site. Prior to this, the scaffolding had been erected. The materials were delivered and sections of the roofing tiles were removed. The steel supports were hoisted to the roof. No crane needed. In they came through the roof relatively easily. No real disruption to the family below. The sections are bolted together to make one solid steel frame surrounding the loft and across the middle and also above, below the ridge of the roof. The frame supports the dormer, which is being constructed. Its roof joists are in place, and here the boards that form the base of the roof are being laid. The frame at the back will form the low wall on the Velux window side of the roof, and the opening for the staircase will be made here in the centre. Outside, the spars that will form the walls at each side and the front are fixed into place. The front of the dormer is a more complex structure because of the provision needed for each of the windows and the French doors. Now they're securing the boarding for the sides of the dormer. Measurements are taken for the boarding that will cover the front, fixed accordingly. Next came the waterproof membrane. This was followed by cutting and securing the lead strips that form the vital barrier, preventing any rainwater entering the cavity walls in the existing brickwork below. Inside, preparations were being made for the windows. The obsolete roofing tiles and timbers have been removed, opening up the interior. The floor has yet to be laid, and the remaining roofing studs will soon be removed. Outside, the tile battens were fixed in place, and the cladding tiles arrive. Not a tile out of place, perfect. Then the windows were installed. Up above, a glass fibre roof is being laid. 3 layers in all, guaranteeing a resilient and waterproof surface for up to 20 years. And then the ridging tiles were put in place. Inside, the flooring has been completed and the first fixed plumbing has been done. The pipes for the central heating radiators have been installed, the soil pipe for the toilet has been connected, and the first fixed cables for the electrics are all in place. Work has started on the framework for the staircase walls. 2 south-facing Velux windows have been fitted, and the walls are in the process of being insulated. The time has come to fit the staircase. There it is, in the garden, prepared and ready. Now for the rather precarious job of cutting out the landing ceiling. Now we go down a level to make provision for the corner steps. Enter the main length, and after a little manipulation and 1 or 2 drops of sweat, it's in place, and it's a perfect fit. Access to the loft via the new staircase is officially open. Now the plasterboarding can be finished, just a few pieces left, each one accurately cut and secured in place. Every aspect of the conversion is done by professionals. Then along came our plasterers, another team with an eye for perfection. Prior to the scaffolding being removed, the guttering and downpipes were secured, and when the plaster had dried, the skirting boards were neatly fixed, along with the other architrave woodwork. Then the job of hanging all the doors started. The final fixed plumber had installed and connected the central heating radiators together with the toilet and the shower. Outside, the transformation is quite astonishing. This was the house before, and here it is with its loft conversion, adding a whole new dimension of living space to the property and of course increasing its value. The complete solution from plans to plaster. Call us for free now on 0800 269 765 or visit our website www.econoloft.co.uk.